Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are seeing the message, your device may not be secure or GPay has identified that your device does not meet required security standards, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy methods to fix this issue. So firstly, open the phone setting and check if your device software is updated. If an update is available, install it and restart your phone. And after this, open the Google Play Store. Now, at the top right corner, tap on the profile icon. Scroll down, click on Play Protect and tap on Scan. After this, go back to the home page. Now, open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on the Apps option. Now, tap on GPay, tap on Storage and Cache, and tap on Clear Cache. Now, go back to the home page. And if you have enabled developer option, disable them temporarily because Google Pay may not work on devices that fail security checks. And also make sure your phone is not rooted or running unofficial software. Google Pay requires a secure and certified device environment. And after completing this step, restart your phone and open Google Pay again. In most cases, the error should be resolved. And if the problem still continues, uninstall the Google Play and uninstall Google Pay and install the latest version from the Play Store. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.